Hey everyone, this is Lalo Ready from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today I'm recreating an effect called Mind State, and it sounds like this. The MIDI is pretty simple because all the effects and all this kind of sound is done inside Serum. So now let's listen to it in context, but now let's activate the EQ as well. Pretty cool sound, right? And if you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below in the Melodic Techno Academy Volume 2 that it's available on PML's website. But now let's get started with this tutorial and let's get started with Serum. We're going to initialize the preset and we're also going to deactivate the EQ, and it sounds like this. Pretty boring, right? Because there's nothing to be done so far. But now we're going to get started with a basic shapes, and we're going to put it to a saw. -1. Unison a little bit up to make it a little bit wider, and also detune a bit down. Somewhere like this. That's it with oscillator A. Now oscillator B, we're gonna also choose an initial saw, but this is gonna be the initial wave. -2 here, and define a little bit up. The unison is gonna remain as it is, and the level is gonna go a bit down over here. Somewhere like this. But now we're also gonna pick and modulate this a little bit. We're gonna first choose an LFO in define, and it's gonna be unipolar, somewhere like this. Yeah, that's it. And now you can see a little bit of detuning happening between B and A as well. Now we're gonna go and activate the sub. We're gonna put it to -2. And we're gonna select a triangle wave. We're gonna put this level a little bit down. Now also in the noise, we're gonna select an alpha and Z. And we're gonna pick the level and put it a bit up. Somewhere like this. Envelope 1 is gonna remain completely as it is, and now we're gonna move into the filter. MG low 24, AB, noise, and sub, and we're also gonna pick this cutoff and put it a bit down. We barely listen to anything now, but we're gonna activate a little bit of modulation so we can listen to some stuff. So first and everything, we're gonna pick this LFO, put it over here in the cutoff to somewhere like this. We're gonna pick and take the BPM off. Now we're gonna pick the rate and put it a little bit up. Somewhere like this. But we're gonna make this, instead of a triangle, we're gonna make a saw down. And also a bit like this. Notice how if you put it a little bit down, it changes a lot, so be careful with this. Now we're gonna keep on going, and we're gonna select the envelope 2. In the envelope 2, we're gonna modulate here the rate to somewhere like this. Exactly to create this effect that we were listening right now. A little bit more, a little bit less. Somewhere like this. Now, the attack of this is gonna go really long. Listen to what happens. Perfect. Now, the sustain is also going to go a little bit down. The decay also a lot down. And you see how the sound is pretty much shaping itself? We're also going to keep on going over here, making it a little bit smaller. But now the release, a little bit bigger. And that's pretty much it. We also have to pick this handle, put it a bit up. Also pick this handle, put it at the same level, around this level over here. Perfect so far, and let's keep on going. Now we're gonna go back into the filter, the drive a little bit up. And that's pretty much it so far. Now we're gonna go into the effects section. And in the effects section, we're gonna start by using a distortion, asymmetry. A lot more over here. You can see how this pretty much destroys the sound, but we're gonna pick the wet and put it a lot down. Perfect. Now we're gonna select chorus. The delay too is gonna go a little bit up. The feed also. You can see the slight change that it does, but we're gonna pick this and use it just as a character thing. So that's pretty much it now. So now delay, and in the delay, we're gonna start by picking the feed and put it a bit down. 1/4, 1/4. We're gonna pick this and put it a little bit up. Q a bit down. And that's pretty much it with the delay. Now we're gonna go into the reverb. A lot more reverb. A lot more decay. A bit less high cut. But a bit more low cut. And we're also gonna change the size a little bit. Now, lastly, we're gonna go into an EQ, and in the EQ, we're gonna select a low cut and a high shelf. First, the Q is gonna go somewhere over here, and the frequency a bit down. Now, we also have to boost a little bit of the gain over here. And now, if you want to listen to the whole thing, in context, really cool sound, right? And if you liked it, if you get it over here in the description below. This is Lilo Reddy from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.